This Cebuana entrepreneur turned her passion for bags into a global brand. So, paano nga ba niya ito nagawa? And a little background lang. Sarah once started her brand with a simple goal to create eco-friendly bags using local materials like abaca and rattan. Ganito kasi yun. She focused on sustainability and Filipino craftsmanship, making her bags unique and eco-friendly. She expanded her market by joining trade fairs and partnering with international brands. Today, Zara One's bags are sold worldwide and have been featured in international magazines. And trivia lang guys, Zara One's bags are now a favorite among eco-conscious consumers and celebrities. And ano nga ba yung entrepreneurial lessons na mga pwede natin matutunan dito? Number 1, sustainability. Consumers today value eco-friendly products. Pangalawa, craftsmanship, quality and attention to detail can set your brand apart. Number 3, networking kasi joining trade fairs and event can help you reach a wider audience. Kaya ayun, proudly Filipino, kaya magandang gumawa ng sarili mong produkto na kaya magpayaman sa ating kultura. Kaya ayun, comment down below na and JC Febroles, entrepreneur, naniniwala na kaya natin maging successful sa ating bansang Pilipinas. Yan guys, nasa Cebu tayo ngayon, Fort San Pedro. Kaya puro Cebu yung mga tinitribya natin. Thank you.